हुआ बेबी? What happened baby? What happened baby? रो क्यों रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? चलो मम्मा के पास आओ. Come to mama now. Come to mama now. बाबू को भूख लगी है क्या? Are you hungry baby? Are you hungry baby? चलो दूध पीते हैं. Let's have milk. Let's have milk. आ जाओ गोदी में. Come in my lap. Come in my lap. वाह, मेरा बच्चा खुद चल रहा है. Wow, my baby is walking on its own. Wow, my baby is walking on its own. गिरोगे नहीं, मम्मा है ना साथ. You won't fall. Mama is here. You won't fall. Mama is here. ओहो, गिर गए. चलो उठ जाओ. Oh no, you fell. Let's get up. Oh no, you fell. Let's get up. ये लो अपना खिलौना. Here is your toy. Here is your toy. नहीं नहीं, वो मुंह में मत डालो. No no, don't put that in your mouth. No no, don't put that in your mouth. Clap clap करो. Do clap clap. Do clap clap. पापा को flying kiss दो. Give Papa a flying kiss. Give Papa a flying kiss. इतना प्यारा हंस रहा है मेरा बाबू. My baby is smiling so cutely. My baby is smiling so cutely. चलो नहाने चलते हैं. Let's go for a bath. Let's go for a bath. ठंडा नहीं है, पानी अच्छा है. It's not cold, the water is fine. It's not cold, the water is fine. ब्रश किया क्या? Did you brush? Did you brush? चलो डायपर बदलते हैं. Let's change your diaper. Let's change your diaper. ओहो, गंदा कर दिया. ओहो, you made it dirty. ओहो, you made it dirty. मम्मा के पास आ जाओ जल्दी. Come to mama quickly. Come to mama quickly. पापा को झप्पी दो. Give Papa a hug. Give Papa a hug. चलो अब चेहरा धोते हैं. Let's wash your face now. Let's wash your face now. देखो, पानी ठंडा नहीं है. See, the water isn't cold. See, the water isn't cold. आंखें बंद करो, पानी डालूंगी. Close your eyes, I'll pour water. Close your eyes, I'll pour water. ये लो तौलिया, मुंह पोंछ लो. Here, wipe your face with the towel. Here, wipe your face with the towel. अब ब्रश करेंगे ठीक से. Now we'll brush properly. Now we'll brush properly. अच्छा बच्चा रोज ब्रश करता है. Good baby brushes daily. Good baby brushes daily. देखो मम्मा भी ब्रश कर रही है. See, mama is brushing too. See, mama is brushing too. अब नहाने चलो. Now let's go for a bath. Now let's go for a bath. झाग बना लो हाथों से. Make bubbles with your hands. Make bubbles with your hands. बतख देखो कैक कैक कर रही है. Look at the duck. It's going quack quack. Look at the duck. It's going quack quack. अब साबुन लगाते हैं. Let's apply soap now. Let's apply soap now. नहाना हो गया पूरा. Bath is all done. bath is all done. अब तौलिए में लपेटो. Wrap yourself in the towel. Wrap yourself in the towel. चलो अब कपड़े पहनते हैं. Let's wear clothes now. Let's wear clothes now. आज तो बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो. You are looking so cute today. You are looking so cute today. ये लो अपना मनपसंद खिलौना. Here is your favorite toy. Here is your favorite toy. मुंह में मत डालो बेटा. Don't put it in your mouth, baby. Don't put it in your mouth, baby. चलो अब ब्लॉक्स से खेलते हैं. Let's play with the blocks now. Let's play with the blocks now. ओहो गिरा दिया सब. Oh no, dropped everything. Oh no, dropped everything. कोई बात नहीं, फिर से बना लेंगे. No worries, we'll build it again. No worries, we'll build it again. मम्मा को बॉल दो जरा. Give the ball to mama. Give the ball to mama. पकड़ो पकड़ो. Catch it, catch. Catch it, catch. वाह क्या जबरदस्त पकड़ा. Wow, what a great catch. Wow, what a great catch. थोड़ा नाश्ता कर ले. Shall we have some snacks? Shall we have some snacks? ये लो केला खाओ. Here, eat this banana. Here, eat this banana. धीरे धीरे चबाओ. Chew slowly. Chew slowly. शाबाश सब खा लिया. Well done. Finished everything. Well done. Finished everything. अब पानी पी लो. Now drink some water. Now drink some water. चलो अब लंगोट बदलते हैं. Let's change the diaper now. Let's change the diaper now. गीला कर लिया था क्या? Did you wet it? Did you wet it? कोई बात नहीं, नया पहनते हैं. No problem, let's wear a new one. No problem, let's wear a new one. अब थोड़ा डांस करें मम्मा के साथ. Shall we dance a bit with mama? Shall we dance a bit with mama? देखो संगीत बज रहा है. Look, the music is playing. Look, the music is playing. ताली बजाओ. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. बाहर जाना है क्या? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? चलो जूते पहन लेते हैं. Let's wear shoes. Let's wear shoes. चलो गाड़ी में बैठो. Sit in the stroller. Sit in the stroller. देखो चिड़िया उड़ रही है. Look, the bird is flying. Look, the bird is flying. कुत्ते को देखो भौंक रहा है. Look at the dog, it's barking. Look at the dog, it's barking. अब पार्क चलते हैं. Let's go to the park now. Let's go to the park now. झूले पर बैठना है. Want to sit on the swing? Want to sit on the swing? अब फिसल पट्टी पर चले. Let's go to the slide now. Let's go to the slide now. धीरे धीरे नीचे आओ. Come down slowly. Come down slowly. अब घर चलते हैं. Now let's go home. Now let's go home. पहले हाथ धो लो। फर्स्ट वॉश योर हैंड्स। फर्स्ट वॉश योर हैंड्स। अब थोड़ा जूस पिए। Shall we have some juice now? Shall we have some juice now? कौन सा जूस चाहिए बेटा? Which juice do you want, baby? Which juice do you want, baby? गिरा दिया क्या? Did you spill it? Did you spill it? कोई बात नहीं, साफ कर देंगे. No problem, we'll clean it. No problem, we'll clean it. अब कहानी सुनेंगे. Want to hear a story now? Want to hear a story now? ये रही खरगोश वाली किताब. Here is the bunny book. Here is the bunny book. देखो खरगोश कूद रहा है. Look, the bunny is hopping. Look, the bunny is hopping. अब थोड़ा रंग भरो. Now do some coloring. Now do some coloring. देखो ये कितने सुंदर रंग है. See how beautiful these colors are. See how beautiful these colors are. दीवार पर मत रंगो. Don't color on the wall. Don't color on the wall. अब खाने का समय है. It's dinner time now. It's dinner time now. मुंह में धीरे डालो. Put it slowly in your mouth. Put it slowly in your mouth. वाह, सारा खाना खा लिया. Wow, finished all the food. Wow, finished all the food. अब दांत साफ करें. Now clean your teeth. Now clean your teeth. ब्रश करने का समय हो गया. It's time to brush. It's time to brush. चलो अब रात के कपड़े पहनते हैं. Let's wear night clothes now. Let's wear night clothes now. अब सोने का समय है. It's sleeping time now. It's sleeping time now. पलंग पर आराम से लेटो. Lie down on the bed gently. Lie down on the bed gently. लोरी सुननी है क्या? Want to hear a lullaby? Want to hear a lullaby? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.